back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone news, drone tech, and today we're going to be looking at the Air 3 and hand launching and hand landing. I know it seems trivial, people say don't do it, you can mess these up your fingers, but it's real easy to do, very simple. So let's take a look at the process right here. For hand takeoff, the first thing you want to do is keep it away from the face, hold it up kind of, gently hold it, press the takeoff on the left stick. And it takes off. The same thing for landing. Put it down below you. And then you catch it. It's just that simple. Hold down on the left stick, keep your hand under it, and you take off. That's it. Signing off from Eye in the Sky Drones. Alright, so as you can see, it's easy to hand launch the Mavic 3 and land. Leave in the comments below if that's something you'll be doing. If you like what you've seen in this video, hit like and subscribe. As always, signing out from Eye in the Sky Drones. Be safe and have fun flying.